Good morning, everybody. So, we're going to do another problem on our regular problem list. This will be number 5 on the worksheet that I hand out. This is, I start running at 1 meter per second. I run for 20 seconds, accelerating the whole time at 0.4 meters per second squared. How far do I run? I apologize for the poor lighting in my garage. So, as always, we start writing out our equations. S equals xi plus vit plus 1/2 at squared, and a equals vf minus vi over t. And writing out our variables, s, xi, vi, vf, a, and t. So, looking at our problem, I start running at 1 meters per second. So I start at 1 meter per second. That means my initial velocity is 1 meter per second. So VI is 1. I run for 20 seconds. So time, 20 seconds. Accelerating, keyword, accelerating the whole time at 0.4 meters per second squared. Remember, if you're ever wondering where you put something in an equation, you can always look at the units that are being provided. So, 0.4 meters per second squared. Xi, I'm going to say I start here, run here, and that's my 0. So 0 meters. Everything this way is positive, everything this way is negative. So everything is going that way, everything's going to be positive. Easy peasy. So, which equation do I want to use? Well, I need to solve for how far, which means s. So I need to use this equation because there's no way I can find it with this one. So, s equals xi plus vit plus 1/2 at squared. Xi is 0. That's going to drop right out. VI is 1. T is 20. Hey, that's actual numbers. I can't drop it out. 1/2 at squared. A, actual number. T, actual number. Both of those stay there. Fantastic. I actually have a little more complexity in this problem now. So let's go ahead and plug our numbers in because we have all of our variables over here. We only need to solve for s. So we're already set up the ideal way. So s equals VIT. VI is 1. T is 20. 1 times 20, that's just going to be 20. Plus 1/2 at squared. Let's just write that one in. 0.4 and 20 squared. So 1/2 times 0.4 is going to be 0.2. 20 squared, what is that? 400. 400. Beautiful. So, what's s? 0.2 times 400, that is going to be, I want to say that's actually 20. 80. That's why I use a calculator. It's going to be 100 meters. So, 0.2 times 400 is 80, plus 20 is 100. That's 100 meters. So let's go ahead and put that back in our value list. Box it off. And hey, just for fun, how fast am I going at the end of this? At the end of 100 meters, how fast am I going? We can actually figure that out pretty easily. I know A, I know T, I know VI. So let's write this back out. VF minus VI over T, and then let's simplify it for VF. So, multiply both sides by t to get VF closer to being on its own. TA equals VF minus VI. Then add VI to both sides. And then I'll get rid of it. So, AT plus VI equals VF. Great, and I have all those numbers. So 0.4 times 20 plus VI, which is 1. So 0.4 times 20, that should be 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is my VF. 9 meters per second. That's close to 20 miles an hour. That's great. And if you were to go through in a problem like this and actually solve for more than I'm asking you to, that is 4 territory, okay? So if you do go through a test and you say, you know what, I want to get a 4, solve something more than I'm asking for. Thanks, guys.